Can you wear contact lenses with dry eyes? Let's find out. The simple answer is yes, but it may not be what you think. Dry eye is usually a result of an unstable tear film. Look at the links below, we have tons of videos about dry eye. Now, putting a contact lens on a dry eye is going to do nothing to help this situation. If anything, it's going to make it worse. Here are 3 ways to optimize your eyes for contact lens wear. Number 1, daily contact lenses. These are the most comfortable, the most hygienic lenses on the market. Leave a comment below if you wear dailies. Now, a daily contact lens is a new, fresh lens every time you put it on. If you're not wearing dailies currently, a lot of my patients will tell me the best time to put on the contact lens is when it's fresh out of the package. With a daily lens, you get that every single day. Now, in addition to daily lenses, decreasing wear time of your contact lenses can help. A daily lens is perfect for that because at the end of the day, you toss it, it's not sitting in the case, sitting in that solution day after day after day, getting less and less breathable. A fresh lens every day is going to be better for your eyes. Wearing them less frequently also is going to help that tear film reestablish, be a little bit more stable for your eyes. Number 2, treat the underlying conditions. This usually means we have some form of dry eye. Now remember, dry eye stems from an unstable tear film. It does not mean your eyes are not wet. Start with the lids and lashes. Get all that dust, debris, bacteria that builds up out of your lids and lashes. That can help reduce inflammation, give you a more stable tear film. This more stable tear film is better equipped to lubricate that contact lens throughout the day. In addition, use artificial tears. Sustain Complete Preservative Free, the drop that I recommend to use with contact lenses. It's going to help lubricate the contact lens and your eye, which will give you more crisp vision and a longer lasting comfort. The third thing you can do to treat the underlying cause is get an advanced dry eye therapy. Intense pulse light therapy, ZEST deep cleanings, or a heat-based therapy with lid expression are my go-tos. IPL is the gold standard, but the other 2 have their place, and I love to use those in situations where my patients are struggling with their contact lens wear and dry eye is an underlying cause. After these treatments, they find contact lens wear to be much more comfortable and a much better experience for them. Number 3, change your cleaning solutions. A lot of times patients try to save a little bit of money by getting a generic solution. Well, generic solutions are not always compatible with the latest contact lenses. So if you're not wearing dailies, make sure you use a good contact lens solution. BioTrue or OptiFree Pure Moist are the 2 that I recommend. If you want a deep cleaning, ClearCare is a peroxide-based solution that will clean the lenses, get all that dust, debris, dirt off the lens. It should give you a more comfortable wearing experience. We demand a lot from our eyes, and every situation is different, but there's no reason with the right tips and tricks that you can't be a contact lens wearer and still have some form of dry eye. Now, let's treat that underlying dry eye and get you in daily contact lenses, and it's a win-win. If you're having problems, we do have solutions for you. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, like. We'll see you in the next video.